see what they look like, and hopefully I will be able to use them for my dance class, because a lot of my glasses like to slip off. Oh, got a nice little thing to wipe them off with, and a thing to check your eyes with the pupil every distance in a nice case. So let's see. Let's check out these new. Okay. What do you think? Trendy, not spendy. All right, so let's get started with our class. Hello, and welcome to Uptown Dance Kids online dance class. My name is Miss Leta, and I am the director of the Uptown Dance Center, as well as your instructor today. With this class, you can learn one of the warm-ups we use in our in-person classes or practice at home. I always impress upon my students to practice every day. And with that being said, please like, subscribe, share, and check out our other videos on our Uptown Dance Kids YouTube channel. So, okay, let's get this party started. Won't you come back? Woo. Thank you.